Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 21, How to Use the Power of Your Subconscious Mind to Achieve Your Ultimate Desires. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy teaches us how to tap into the vast potential of our subconscious mind to manifest our deepest desires and live the life we truly want. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind has the power to create whatever we desire as long as we believe in it. The key is to align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desires, and the subconscious will work to bring them into reality. To achieve your ultimate desires, Dr. Murphy recommends starting with clear, definite goals. Know exactly what you want and create a clear mental image of your desired outcome. The clearer your goal, the easier it is for your subconscious to work towards it. One technique Dr. Murphy shares is to use affirmations and mental imagery to reinforce your desires. Affirm daily, "I am attracting my ultimate desires into my life now." Then, visualize the successful outcome you want, imagining every detail as vividly as possible. Dr. Murphy also highlights the importance of faith and belief. Your subconscious works best when you have unwavering faith in the power of your thoughts. Believe that what you desire is already on its way to you, and your subconscious mind will manifest it. The key takeaway: your subconscious mind can create your ultimate desires. By setting clear goals, using affirmations, visualizing success, and maintaining faith, you can tap into the immense power of your subconscious to manifest your dreams. That wraps up Chapter 21. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to overcome fear and unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't miss the next powerful chapter.